Amiel, say hi. Wala nang rambutan. Say hi.
Hi.
Welcome to.
I found a rambutan.
Welcome to my.
Look at this airplane.
Hi guys. Come on.
Mommy, look.
Hi guys mo
There's
sana.
the airplane.
Yeah, hey, say hi guys muna.
What? Hi guys.
Okay. What are you gonna do today? What? Bug hunt. Okay. Saan tayo mag-start? Ha? Saan punta?
Ito.
Saan punta? Hanapin mo dyan sa mga gilid-gilid. Kumuha ka ng ano, Rashid. Kumuha ka nung kahoy. Oh, wag na magtakbo. Hindi, pangbungkal.
Where's the bug?
Look for
I
it.
see a hole.
Ayun. Tanggalin mo yung dini. Ito yung ganiri.
Where's the stick?
You look for stick. For your stick. Ito, dito. Oh. Dito. Hey guys. Dito. Ayun na oh. Ito Amiel. Hanap kayo dito. Ingat lang sa.
My feet. I found. This is a big hole.
Dali, hahanap tayo. Diyan, Amiel. Here, wala.
B! Oh, B!
Saan?
Yung mahiyatika.
Ang alin?
Ito.
Ha? Ano yan? Tinitignan nila.
Ito, there's, ito oh.
Ala, ano yan?
Earthworm.
Earthworm yan. Yung
Like,
puti.
put in the bucket. This is the bucket.
Okay. We are ready. We'll get it. Oh.
What?
What's that? Ano yung tawa mo? Paano ka tumawa?
Haba naman na itong bulati na to.
Dali ko. Tanggalin mo kayo, Rashid.
Haba yan. Got it. Wag mo maputol.
Huwag mong putulin. Mapuputol.
Oh, the baby worm. This is the baby worm. Don't kill it. The baby worm. This is the earthworm. Ew.
Wow. Ayun na. It's inside.
It's moving.
Okay. Find more.
Is it?
Find more.
I think it too. I think it too.
Ikaw siyan. Kuha ka ng ano mo. Stick mo. Opo.
Ayaw.
Bakit?
Ayan, there's the little...
Ano yan? The baby. Yan yata yung baby.
It's for the mother. Put in the baby. Like, where's the baby? There's... Oh, there's a big piece of that dirt.
Yan.
It's making 6, 7.
Oh. Oh, hanap pa kayo ng ibang spot. Sa iba naman.
Let's go. Let's go.
Sa iba naman.
Mana na.
Tara. Tabi-tabi po. Ang sabihin mo siyan? Oops. Tabi nuno. O, dito tayo. Saan pa? Doon. Saan? Doon sa gilid ng ano.
I said hello.
Ha? Saan malapit? O, doon sabay na.
Okay, a big one.
Mm-mm.
Maybe.
Saan dyan?
Where our body lives. Ooh, there's a big one. I go far away.
Hmm?
Hello.
Oh, hello.
That's Indian.
Ha?
Hello.
Ayun kay Kuya Rashid ang yellow.
Can I see? Can I see the orb?
O, dito kasi yan, dali. Diyan.
What the galoan?
Tingin.
Digan.
Ano yan? Patingin.
Worm.
There's a
I
worm?
want to dig in the soil.
Okay. Dig in the soil.
Yeah.
Yeah. May dyan. Oh, be careful. Kay Rashid, ano? Yan. Ayan. Wala. Oh, sige.
Ayun, no?
Tamo. Ah.
Ow, my foot.
Oh, careful.
I want to change my tires.
Ayan na, ayan na. Dali. Ayan na, sige. Ayan na.
What is
Ayun. Ano yun?
Oh, what is this? It's smaller.
Yeah, what's that?
It's not working. It's not getting. It got maybe stuck. Oh, it's making. I dig my big.
Ayan na.
I found something. I found something.
Yun o, a lot of, ano.
I found something. This one.
What's that?
This is a thing. Here, this is sheep.
Yun na yun. Eh, what's that? Nangangagat yata yan.
Shook, shook. Shook, shook. Let's eat it. Go.
Yeah.
Wow! Ooh, the big rock. It's a big rock. Ooh, that's the mine. Yan. Yan. I know. Oh, yan naman. Ayaw ko man. Oo na. Ang naman daw. Kaya hindi ulo papumet. Earthworm moving. Where's your hole? Maybe the bug is not here. Ooh, wow, what's that? Just here.
Saan? Ayun yan. Ayun po, may worm pa. Yan. Oh, na. Okay, Rashid, get the worm. Put it in the...
What?
Ha?
Look at this.
Saan?
Here, the baby. There's more.
Oh,
This is a baby worm. No. What is that, Mom?
ano yan?
Mama, look.
Saan?
The white one.
It's an ant.
It's not an ant. It's a white ant.
Yeah,
I kill it.
don't kill it.
There's more. Hiya. 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 This area, there's a little. Hiya. Hiya. Hiya.
Mm.
To show.
Ayan na, put it in the bucket. Kaya mo nga butin?
Ano, Mami?
Ha?
Mami. Ha? Ito. Babi? Opo. Ano, Babi? Ito, bakit? Bakit? Baba yun. Di may utak yun yan. Hindi ah! Hindi ano yun? Naglaga ka. Hindi, yak, 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 ganito. Yato. Hindi, yak, 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 ganito.
Maniba lang. Ba, bayabas na naman.
Malaban na. Malaban na. Utipit. Food. Bye bye. Sige mo. Ayan na. Mama. Mama. Dito na.
Oh, ito na.
Can I eat it?
Huwag mo itatapon ha. You eat it.
Hey, I didn't want to eat it.
Okay, Rashid will eat the banana. Ay, the banana, the guava. Oh, don't touch the ano.
I want to pet.
You want...
What's the name of that worm?
Oh, what's the name?
It's Coco Mancho.
What?
Coco Mancho.
Your worm name is?
Coco Mancho.
Coco Mancho?
Yeah.
Okay. Coco Mancho.
Yeah.
What?
Look, it's going down.
What?
Look.
Coco Mancho is?
Going down.
Maybe he's hungry. How many worms do you have?
105 of them.
5 of them.
We're gonna make it 10 of them. Holy police, meters, and lake, and it's going up again.
Yeah.
Going down. Look, it's going inside. It's going down. It's making S.
What?
It's making S. Look, it's S. What letter is this?
Saan?
The Coco Mancho is drawing a S.
Ayan. It's all soil naman. I can't see the the Coco Mancho worm.
Because it's making S.
Yeah. Bakit? Nangyari sa'yo? Bakit? Ba't ka? Para ka naman baboy na kinakatay. Hindi nga eh. O baliktad na naman yung tsinelas mo.
Wow, Coco Mancho. Save the Coco Mancho, no?
Wait lang. Say bye-bye na.
My feet.
Say bye-bye na.
Bye.
Oh, ito look at mommy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Like and?
And subscribe video.
Okay.
Bye.
It's me.
Amy.
Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye na.
See you to the next
video.
Bye.
Look at this earthworm.
Yeah. Say bye-bye na.
Bye.
Like and?
Subscribe video. Bye. Don't forget.
Oh, what?
Maybe rise and shine.
Okay. What?